The xTool desktop UV printer is designed as a versatile printing solution aimed at creators, entrepreneurs, and small businesses looking to bring more customization options into their workflow. Unlike traditional printing methods that are limited to specific surfaces, UV printing allows users to explore a wider range of creative applications by working with different types of materials and objects. This makes the printer appealing for projects such as personalized accessories, promotional products, decorative items, custom gifts, and small-scale product development. Its compact desktop-style design may be especially attractive for users who want professional-style capabilities without needing the space or infrastructure associated with larger industrial machines. One of the notable aspects of this type of printer is the flexibility it offers. Users can experiment with different designs, textures, colors, and finishes to create products that have a more premium and customized appearance. For makers and small business owners, this kind of versatility can help expand product offerings and support creative experimentation. The ability to handle various materials can also make the printer useful for multiple industries, including crafts, personalization services, branding, and design-focused businesses. However, the range of possibilities also means users may need some time to understand the best settings, materials, and techniques for achieving consistent results. The xTool desktop UV printer appears to focus on making UV printing more accessible to a wider audience. Its approach may benefit beginners who want to enter the world of direct-to-object printing, as well as experienced creators who need a more convenient tool for smaller projects. A user-friendly workflow and compact design can make daily operation easier compared with traditional professional equipment that often requires more specialized knowledge and larger workspaces. For people running a small creative business, having an in-house printing option can provide more control over production, reduce dependence on outside suppliers, and allow faster experimentation with new ideas. That said, buyers should consider their specific needs before investing in a UV printer. While a desktop model can be highly useful for customized products and smaller production runs, those handling large-scale commercial orders may need to evaluate factors such as printing speed, maintenance requirements, running costs, and overall workflow efficiency. Like any advanced creative equipment, achieving the best results may require learning, testing, and adjusting different settings depending on the material and design being printed. Regular care and proper handling are also important for maintaining consistent performance over time. Overall, the xTool desktop UV printer appears to be a flexible and innovative option for users who want to explore professional-style customization in a more compact format. It combines creative possibilities with a design that is aimed at accessibility, making it suitable for hobbyists, designers, and small businesses interested in expanding their product capabilities. While it may not be the perfect choice for every type of printing requirement, especially large-scale industrial production, it offers a practical balance of versatility, convenience, and creative potential for those looking to explore UV printing and personalized manufacturing.